Hi everybody. The purpose of this speech is to introduce Mrs. EmmanouilArbus. Mrs. EmmanouilArbus has been the most influential contemporary photographers of all times. She has successfully inserted into the art of photography a new reality, which is translated through the subjects that she chooses to photograph, and she has redefined the relationship between the photographic eye and the subject photographed. Mrs. EmmanouilArbus was very deeply influenced by the works of the ancient Greek philosopher Plato, who believed that an object is not seen because it is visible, but rather than that, it is visible because it is seen. This is a new photographic reality and a photographic thought that Mrs. Arbus has inserted into the art of photography. Also, Mrs. EmmanouilArbus considers her camera not only a medium that represents a photographic reality, but she believes strongly, and she proves this through her photographic work, that the camera represents and narrates the mythological aspect of a society. The reason is that the subjects that Mrs. Arbus chooses to photograph are not ordinary subjects. Their physical appearance is altered somehow from birth. Some of them, they have another physical appearance which is far away from the ordinary, but yet very unique. And this way, this is how the myth is born by Mrs. EmmanouilArbus' photographic eye. Mrs. EmmanouilArbus photographs dwarfs, transvestites, masked men and masked women, madmen and mad women locked in mental institutions, nudists in nudist camps, homosexuals, transvestites. And when she exhibits, all these photographs are equally exhibited, the one next to the other. So we realize that at this point, Mrs. EmmanouilArbus expresses a strong political view of equality, of a political and social equality. In conclusion, Mrs. EmmanouilArbus, because of the fact that she manages to penetrate the non-so-ordinary part of the society and represent her political view through her camera lens, it makes her to be one of the most influential contemporary photographers, and she proves all over the world that the American spirit really exists. Thank you. Oh, very good.